First, we need to prepare a work computer. The configuration of the work computer, it's best to be Windows 10 system, 64-bit. Here, this is the work computer we prepared. Its system is Windows 10. Here, 64-bit. Next, we will install the software. Before starting the software installation, we need to find the real-time virus protection first. Click here, and then turn it off. Turn off real-time protection. After all are turned off, or close. Confirm if it's turned off. Here, after closing it, we find our USB flash drive data. The USB drive is here. This is our data USB drive. First, this is the manual. You can read it first. Then we will proceed to the second step, software installation. Software installation. First, install the software. Then install it directly, okay? Okay, that's it. Then we will unzip our printer software. Select this to extract to a folder. Select a folder. We choose our C drive, the computer drive. OK, and then start the decompression directly. We can also unzip our PS at the same time. And then extract it to a folder. Then select OK to extract it to our C drive. Then we unzip our drone software. And also to the folder. And then OK. Now we open our C drive. Open this PC and open the C drive and find the file we just extracted. This is the printer software we just extracted. Here, and this is the printer software. First, right-click the mouse and select Send to Desktop. This is our printer software. This software, the drawing software, is also 剪映. Look at this name. Then we look for it in the C drive. It's here. Here, and then we find our drawing software. Then select and send it to the desktop. Here is our drawing software. Now we install PS. Select the English installation disk. Our PS is installing. It prompts that PS is installed successfully. OK, our PS has been installed successfully. Next, we need to find our printer software. Here, install the driver for our printer. Double-click to select Next. Next, Finish. Our driver installation is now complete. Then install our environment software. Click Next directly. Next. And finish. OK, our environment software has been installed. Next, close it. Right-click the mouse to run the printing software as an administrator, and select Agree. Then our printing software is now open. It shows that USB is not connected. Open our drawing software again. Select Run as an administrator. Then, this prompt says you haven't inserted the blue dongle. Let's wait a moment. Insert our blue dongle, OK? Open our PS again. OK, PS has been opened. When we need remote technical support, find our software and find the remote installation. Both of these remotes need to be installed here. First, install it now, OK? It prompts that it is installing now. OK, this remote has been installed. Then we install this remote. Next. Then select here. Next, select here again. Next, then here, next. When I prompt here, when the green light is on, when the green light is on here, when there are numbers here, and when there is a password here, it means our remote is normal. This is our remote. This is also our remote center. Erase this first, then select the second one here. Then modify the language. Select English. OK. Then restart. OK, restart our software. Now this is our English version of the remote. Now the interface of this remote is normal. It is getting error ID. OK, the ID is obtained. This remote is OK. This is also our remote. We provide 2 remote controls in total. One here. One here. These are our 2 remotes. Now, when you need technical support, just share the remote code with us.